Hey guys, welcome back to Fashion Frame. We're going to have the tutorial of adding snaps in clo3d. Follow along this very quick beginner-friendly tutorial. First of all, I'm going to sew these edges so we can go on fluently. Use the gizmo and put this one upper and change the layer and put it on the first layer. Now we're going to strengthen all the patterns so we can simulate. Now unstrengthen them and use button tool to add some buttons where you want and add as many as buttons you need. When you're done, from Object Browser and button part, you can choose the button and from Property Editor, change the shape. As you can see, there are three types of snaps here. I want to choose this one and you can see it is added here. Now we can change the width and I want to decrease it to 15, and also we can change the material. I want it to be metal. You can see now we have snaps here. This is all for today. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button below.